In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of AI transformation videos. So to do that, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here we need to click in the video section. Now we have to click in settings. And here in model, we're going to use the OmniFlash model. In length, I'm going to use 10 seconds. And now here, where it says describe your video, we need to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here, and here we have to upload our video. For example, I have this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all.
Well, let's pause the video, and now let's click here. Now we have to click here, and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. But while the video is generating, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits. And for example, this video that we're going to make had a cost of 5 credits. So you could do like 2 videos like the one we will do for just $1 trying this platform. So well, after saying that, now let's wait for the result. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks really cool. So if you want to do videos like this one, remember that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. And see you in the next video.